Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. I am so very excited to be sharing with you all this month's BOXYCHARM for October 2020. I'm so excited that I have this box and I'm really excited to share with you what special little sweet goodies are in this box, and we're gonna get right on into this video. So the theme for October is candy shop. So here's what the card looks like. So very sweet. So as you guys know, I always go in order of the products. So when I link them down in the description box for you, they're easy to navigate and they have the prices and where to get them. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is from Ciaté, London. It's the palette. It's the New England Editor palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette that we've gotten for the month. And this retails for $32. Now, I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to keep this or not, because I really want to use it, sort of. Here's the packaging for it, but I do already have, you know, palettes from ColourPop, and I already have, like, tons of, like, shades in here that kind of look similar to what I do already own. And I don't want to be hoarding eyeshadow palettes because I'm trying to limit myself on eyeshadow palettes and only keep, you know, palettes of colors, schemes that I will actually use. And a lot of what I'm using right now is very kind of neutral, blushy toned colors, and the majority of what other eyeshadow palettes I do own are just all ColourPop, because that's my favorite eyeshadow formula when it comes to eyeshadows. The only palette that I have that's not ColourPop related is I have the Too Faced palette and the Alamar Cosmetics palette that I got called Spanglish, that I got in last month's BOXYCHARM, which was like the one I liked out of all of my BOXYCHARMs. And I think this palette is really gorgeous, but it's not really something I'll probably get too much use out of, because the colors are gorgeous. I love all these shimmery colors, and I love some of the mattes in here. But I know in some of my, you know, palettes, I do have some of like these shimmery golds. I have shimmery greens and other colors like this already in my palettes. Because I do own like the Disney palettes, like the Villains palette, and I own like the Disney Princess Masquerade palette, and it has a lot of shimmers and glitters in there. And I do own ColourPop palettes that do have some of these like shimmery looking colors that are in this palette. And I love that formula, and I trust that formula the most. And it's always what I'm wearing. So as much as I do love this palette and think it's really nice and stuff, I don't think I'll get as much wear out of it as I think I would. So I'm not really I don't think I'm really going to keep this palette. The packaging is so pretty. It's such a beautiful light baby pink. I love it, but it's just not something that's going to get used in my collection, and I don't want to keep palettes that I'm not really going to get tons of use out of. So I'm really sad to say goodbye to it, but I have to. Okay, so for that palette, there is a little brush set, and this is from Luxie. It is their Wonderlust set, and it retails for $40. I love Luxie brushes. I think they're so pretty. I mostly like their pink and rose gold combo, but they do have like blue and rose gold, like this light kind of blue color. And I love that it came in this cute little faux leather little pouch with the rose gold zipper. Such cute for travel. And it has all of the eye brushes you need, and I'm pretty sure they're all written on here what these are. So here's the tapered blending brush. And their brushes are really, really good. And they're really soft. And I absolutely love them. So here's the brow and lash little comb. I would take these out of here, but I don't really feel like taking them out. So I do need to look through my brushes again and see what's good and what's not good. There's a large shader brush. Here's the blending. Here's the blending brush right here. And then the medium angled shading brush. They're so pretty. I love the blue and the rose gold color. So I will get around to probably using these soon. I just need to look through my brush collection before I start using any other ones. Because my brush collection, from, you know, getting things in like subscriptions like Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, I collected a lot of brushes and stuff, and, you know, I like over the years, and I just need to look through and see what's good, what's not, what kind of brushes do I really need in my collection and stuff like that, because I don't typically use a whole lot of makeup brushes, to be quite honest. So I need to definitely look through. I mostly get excited for eyeshadow brushes because I feel like I would need a lot of those if I don't clean them right away and stuff, but I don't think you need a whole lot of makeup brushes. But the ones I really do want, the makeup brushes that are really on my wish list of cute, really glam and girly brushes I really want SL Miss Glam brushes, like her sets. Because she makes really pretty brushes, and I really want those the most. So definitely putting those on my wish list as brushes I absolutely want and need. Alright, so my next product is my product of choice, and this is from Farsáli, and this is their Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. I was excited to pick this because I was like, I want some skincare and I want moisturizers because I'm kind of running a little bit low on moisturizers, because I've been using all of mine up that I've gotten like in Ipsy bags and, you know, BOXYCHARMs and stuff. And I really wanted to check this because it says it was hydrating. It says a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The strategic molecular weights and hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity pairs approved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. And this retails for $24. But look how cute and simple and sleek this little bottle is. This is so, so pretty. And of course, I'm just like so excited because it's a little glass dropper. Look at that. I don't know. I will try to like see a little bit. There really isn't a scent to this. So if you don't like scents and you're sensitive to scents, then this seems really nice. I don't really smell anything. It doesn't really have a scent. But I cannot wait to use this and feel quenched in my skin. So I'm really excited about this. This is so cool. And $24, I don't feel like that's bad because most of the skincare that I have been getting, I think in my BOXYCHARMs are definitely over like a $40 price range that I had been getting. So this doesn't seem that bad. And Farsáli is cruelty free, in case anybody's wondering. Pretty much everything in this BOXYCHARM is cruelty free. Everything's cruelty free in this BOXYCHARM, just to let you guys know, in case you are wondering about any of the cruelty free status about any of these products. But I'm really happy with that, so very excited. Okay, the next thing is from Frank Body, and I've been interested in a little bit of a Frank Body because Frank Body, I believe, is sold at Target. I do see some of their like packaging and stuff at Target, and this is their glow mask. It's caffeinated. It's a 2.771 bottle, 80 milliliters. And this retails for $21.95. It says this moisturizing face mask, so it's a face mask. And it says it's a natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give the skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. So that's really cool. And I love their packaging because it has like this pinky tone, and it's just like white and like this blackish brown to it. So that's really cool. I feel like it's really cool. So it says coffee awakens, shea butter hydrates, and goji berry brightens. That's what's in here. It's 99% naturally derived. So really, really cool. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm usually not into masks, but if this one is like a hydrating mask and not really something that's gonna be, you know, I don't like the peeling mask. That's the problem. If it's a mask that doesn't peel, then I'm gonna be really happy about it because I don't like sitting there peeling off masks. And I don't like sheet masks. I've learned that, that I don't really like those either. I feel like, I think it's because sheet masks kind of like, if they're like scented and stuff, even if they didn't even have like a scent to the sheet mask, somehow, whatever, you know, they've been like soaked in like whatever the mask is made out of, and sometimes it feels like it just has like a funky smell, and I don't really like to sit there and be breathing that for 15 minutes. Maybe that's just a me thing, but I'm not crazy about face masks. I'm not sure how much of face masks improve or help the skin in any way than as to using products that go deep into the skin. So I feel like the sheet mask just sits on the skin. Don't know how much it works into it. But I'm excited to give this a go because this looks like something I might actually be interested and excited to try that's about like a face mask. So as long as it washes off easily and I don't have to sit there and pick at it and peel, we're good to go. And the last thing is from Beauté. I hope I'm saying that right. Every time I get this brand, I'm like wondering, am I saying it right? It says it's their dry lip liner. These retail for $16, and I gotta see if there is I think the shades are on the lip pencils. Now I will say, one of my pencils is broken in here. And I don't know if I don't really contact the brands if something gets broken because it's not their fault. It probably got loose during shipping and the box was probably rummaging around. But this one is Peachy. This is the one that broke. It must have been loose because the whole thing came out of this pencil and it's like stuck in the lid. And I don't think I could get it back in. But this was Peachy. It was supposed to be like this, looks like a peachy nude. Brownish undertone color. But these are so cute. They are like blush pink, these pencils. And then this one is So Gorgeous. And I think it's supposed to be like a red with almost like this pinky undertone. I don't use lip pencils, and I have gotten lip pencils in my BOXYCHARMs and like Ipsy bags, and I don't keep them because I don't find myself as a lip pencil person. You know, I don't find that I'm interested in them. Well, these are super cute. I love that they're blush pink. I just don't see myself using them. It's a shame that one of them was broken though. But maybe my mom will get use out of the one that's not broken. Because my mom has been taking some of my stuff from my BOXYCHARMs. and stuff lately to use, so that will be exciting for her. So I definitely see she'll want one of those. But yeah, that's everything in this BOXYCHARM for October, and I will put on the screen of how much this box cost for this month, but I'm excited about everything. Everything will most likely be used except for maybe the eyeshadow palette and the lip liners. But overall, everything else was really good. This was a really good box. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing what I've gotten, and I am really happy. So yeah, I gotta go and do stuff. So I love you all. I'm sending you all so much love, and have a beautiful and magical day. Bye guys.